Today we're going to make a simple stir fry, cabbage stir fry. Hindi is called cabbage sabzi. In Malayalam it's called cabbage thoran. I got fresh purple cabbage, so I thought of making a cabbage stir fry for you guys with very few ingredients. Let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. So I'm going to make this in Kerala style, so therefore I'm using coconut oil. You could opt out and make with vegetable oil, canola oil, avocado oil, that's up to you. I'm using coconut oil here. We need a teaspoon of mustard, a teaspoon and a half of turmeric powder. Because this one is purple color, I want to bring that nice vibrant color to this. Already it is vibrant, but I want to mix it in and it's going to be delicious, looking so nice. So I got that. Fresh curry leaves, diced onion, green chilies according to your spiciness, freshly grated coconut, and season this with some salt. And this is our hero. This is 5 cups of shredded purple cabbage. This is one head that I got and I shredded myself. How do you shred your cabbage? You cut it in half, again cut it in half, take out the core, and then just slide. Use a food processor or a slicer to get it like so. Okay, so let's get our stuff going and get this all in there. Okay, our pan is nice and hot. Let's pour in about a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. Into that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard. It's going to do its dance, so be careful. Get ready. Oil and mustard has done its job. Let's get our rest of the ingredients in there. First off goes in half of our onion diced, along with our green chilies. This is 4 Thai chilies that I'm using, and fresh leaves of curry leaves. Add more or less according to your desire. Saute all that. Our onion has started changing its color. Let's go in with our turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is about a teaspoon and a half of turmeric powder. Onion has started to saute well. We're going to go in with some salt. This will help that speed up that process. Add less, and then if you want more you can add it towards the end. Let's go in with our full cabbage. That purple cabbage has changed its color. See the color difference? It's so nice. I love this. Beautiful. Okay. If you have any picky eaters at home, you can definitely treat them with magic rice, as this will blend in with the rice and it'll be really beautiful. Next up, we don't want it to become very soggy. At this point I like to add freshly grated coconut. If you don't have freshly grated coconut, use frozen or desiccated. So this is 1 cup of coconut. When you're making your sadhya, if you want to make it colorful, instead of using white cabbage or green cabbage for that matter, use a purple one, and that way you get another color on your leaf. We are so used to having the green cabbage easily available. Once in a while I like to change things around. Just gonna let this cook for like maybe 2 or 3 minutes and this is done. How easy is that? Very simple, very few ingredients, and if you don't have to use coconut if you don't want to. This can be done without coconut, but as we are from the land of Kerala, the coconut, we just tend to use it for everything and anything. So I hope you're enjoying this recipe and you like to learn more of these kind of recipes. Please tune in to Amazon Live as well. We have a new series there called Curry Kitchen. This might be interesting for you guys because we will be showcasing multiple different cuisines there. This is done. Let's turn off our stove and transfer this to a serving bowl and I'll show you how that looks like. There you have it. Our easy peasy cabbage stir fry is all done. Within minutes we can get this stir fry done. So please try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. Even though we got up to 5 cups of shredded cabbage, don't worry, as it cooks down it becomes to 3.5 cups. So plan accordingly. If you don't want to use as much as coconut, reduce it down. Any of your changes, cooking is all according to your taste buds, so don't hesitate to try them out and let me know in the feedbacks how it turned out for you. I'll see you next time on Curry TV. Thank you. Bye.